Hey, so I've just jumped out the shower and 3 different things from Amazon just came. Naissance is a company that I've bought a lot from, but the thing and why I wanted to do this video is because the blends are a mixture of different kind of oils, and I've never seen these in a shop to be able to smell. So I actually have every single one in the collection, I think. So there is Rebalance. Can you see that? Rebalance, which is fennel, frankincense, grapefruit, bergamot, lavender, and cedarwood. So let's just open that up now and give it a smell. It was currently on offer and I've never seen it that low. So if you're interested, I'll link down below. But even if you just want to think about it, it's worth sometimes seeing a different person's opinion, and I've never seen these reviewed online. So I just want to make a really quick one. Okay, this just gives me a Vicks Vapor Rub. Very spa. Fennel is very strong, so kind of a licorice feel, and that kind of cool metallic lavender. So very airy, very fresh, very cotton fresh, very daytime. This would suit living spaces, bedroom, kind of new laundry day feel. I'm getting into it, but if I was watching someone's video, I would want them to get into as many adjectives as possible. So next one is Recharge, okay, which is clove, lemongrass, thyme, and marjoram. So this one I was actually thinking of using with water in the summer months, maybe like at my desk. Oh my days. Okay, that's strong as, I don't know what I think about that one. That may grow on me, but my God, would that wake you up? Like, that is the strength of lemongrass, but it's not just like metallic and crisp and citrusy. A church pew wood ground down into like a really thick resin smell mixed with the lemongrass. Thyme you don't really smell. That's my absolute least favorite. Unwind. And then we've got like Stimulate or Arouse or something. It's the one that I'm currently using. Absolutely doesn't do that, but it's very calming and nice. So I'll put a photo here of that one. And this one, going ahead of myself, is Unwind, and it has ylang ylang, lavender, mandarin, rosemary, and nutmeg. This will not fail, I bet. Oh, it's just beautiful. And this almost has a jasmine note to it. And when I've bought these oils by themselves, like ylang ylang or jasmine, they are so expensive on their own. So actually having this mixed, oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so that one is 100% bedroom smell or spa, like bathroom upstairs. I wouldn't have that in like a living space, especially if you have cats. Lavender isn't the best for that, or for them. Recharge is absolutely not my favorite, but it will get me up, and for that I thank it. But Rebalance would be my second. So these two are amazing. So I hope that helps.